We're looking here at something on the screen. Can you tell us what it is and what it delivers for manufacturers and why this is part of the Mills CNC's Training Academy's program?
Well, this is one of our own machines, a DVF 5000, as a digital twin, which allows us from the training perspective to show the whole machine and being able to prove out jobs prior to actually going to the machine and actually cutting it. So it's a very advanced tool for multi-axis machines.
How popular is this, and what's the future for it? Who should be looking at this and being trained on this here?
Well, all our customers with DVF machines, or any customer in the industry with a 5-axis machine, potentially with a Siemens control fitted or Heidenau control fitted, could benefit from this training.
Okay, and what's your overall opinion of Mills CNC's Training Academy? What would you say to people that are looking to come here for training, and why should they select this place?
Well, for sure, we have a vast experience, within the industry. All the trainers of, time-served engineers, very knowledgeable, and of course, we've also got the support of Mills CNC behind that. Obviously, we've got 2 and 3-axis training, but this latest piece of software allows us to, move up to the higher end software, the 5-axis capability, and from a training perspective, that's what our customers want.